again. So I wanted to do a segment that is called, actually, I don't know what it's called yet. Quick minute questions or rapid questions or questions under 30, not sure. But it's basically going to be like rapid fire questions that I get asked, and I'm going to answer them quickly, and then you guys can let me know which ones you want more info on and what is exciting, and I will make maybe full episodes about them, or also always feel free to submit your questions. Okay, today's quick rapid question, is that what I'm going to call it? Quick question? Today's quick question is how to get inspired. I'm going to give you 3 tips. Number 1, get inspired by other designers. Follow them, get their books, research them, study their sketching, study their plans, find designers you love, get inspired by them. Number 2, travel. Traveling is huge. Every time I travel, I'm so inspired with wherever I go. I get new ideas. I'm inspired by the culture, the homes, even if it's traveling in your own like cities and areas, just interacting with people. Obviously, right now, as I'm recording this, we're in a pandemic. We can't travel, but maybe travel virtually or watch documentaries on travel and just get inspired by other people and cultures. Number 3, nature. One of my my most inspired things I look at is nature. Biomimicry, biomimetics, biophilia, look it all up. Get inspired by nature. Anytime you're in nature, look at how the leaves work, look at how the animals work. Get inspired by nature.